How to stop rust on a car. Rust is a frequent issue that many car owners must handle. In addition to making your car appear unpleasant, it can also harm the body of the car. The good news is that there are a number of techniques to stop rust from spreading on a car, including performing basic auto care at home or hiring a professional car detailer. 1. Check your car more often. Regular inspections of your vehicle might assist you in spotting any early rust indications before they develop into more serious issues. On the body of your car, look for any bubbles or discoloration, since these could be early indications of rust. 2. Always keep your car clean and dry. Maintaining a clean, dry environment for your car is an essential step in stopping rust. Rust can spread quickly as a result of dirt and grime's ability to hold moisture. In order to stop rust from growing and spreading, it is essential to routinely wash your car and keep it dry. Use a chamois or a microfiber towel to dry up the car. 3. Wax the car on a regular basis. Regular car waxing is a great technique to prevent rust on your vehicle. The wax serves as a barrier between moisture and the metal body of your car, preventing rust from developing. Waxing your car every 3 to 4 months can dramatically lower the likelihood of rust forming on it. 4. Repair any dents or scratches right away. Rust can thrive in scratches and dents on the body of your car. When metal is exposed, moisture can enter and lead to the formation of rust. To stop rust from spreading, you must have any dings or scratches fixed every once on your car. You can use a touch-up paint kit to attempt to mend any minor dents or scratches on your vehicle. If you have found this video to be interesting, just a friendly reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's continue with the video. 5. Keep the undercarriage of your automobile clean. One of the parts of your car that is most susceptible to rust is the undercarriage. Rust can spread rapidly in the undercarriage if road salt, grit, or debris become trapped there. Regular undercarriage cleaning is important, especially in the winter when road salt is used to melt ice and snow. 6. Use products that prevent rust. The purpose of rust inhibitor compounds is to stop rust from developing on metal surfaces. Rust inhibitors come in various forms, including sprays, paints, and coatings. To stop rust from spreading, you can use solutions that act as a rust inhibitor directly on the body of your car. Make sure you thoroughly read and adhere to the label directions when using rust inhibitor chemicals. 7. Keep your car covered when not in use. Another efficient approach to stop rust from spreading is to keep your automobile covered. Consider utilizing a car cover to shield your vehicle from the weather if you don't have access to a garage. A car cover can shield your vehicle from the rain, snow, and other elements that might lead to rust formation. Make sure the car cover you choose is the proper size for your vehicle. While a cover that is too tight can harm your car's body, a cover that is too loose can let moisture inside. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now, and I'll see you in the next video.